Hi, my name's Paul, and in this short video, I'd like to introduce a few things that make Swansea University's Department of Computer Science so special. I'm going to cover rankings, USPs, and our expertise, the computer science clubs and some of the extracurricular activities, and employability and year in industry support. So to start with our rankings and USPs. Swansea University Computer Science is in the top 20 British universities for computer science and information systems. This puts us above Glasgow, above Exeter, and Cardiff. So it's been a great result for us in the Guardian University Guide, which is one of the most trusted guides to British universities. Swansea Computer Science is TEF Gold ranked and BCS accredited. TEF refers to the Teaching Excellence Framework, which is a standard of evaluation by the British government looking at the quality of higher education at university level. Gold is the best rank that one can achieve in this. There's gold, silver, and bronze. Swansea has a gold rank. BCS is the British Computer Society, accreditation for all of our undergraduate degrees, allows students and also potential employers of those students to know that they have covered the key fundamentals that all computer scientists need to be competent in their field. We're 11th in the UK for computer science according to the REF. REF stands for the Research Excellence Framework. It runs from 2014 through to 2021. And this has been a great result for Swansea, letting us know, letting our students know, letting potential employers of those students know that Swansea is really on the world map for high quality research in this field. We're world ranked in the QS World University Rankings for 2020. And we have a brand new £31.5 million computational foundry building featuring spacious lecture theatres and numerous computer labs that our students are able to use both for lectures and then freely when they're not being taught in, students are welcome to use those. All of our courses at both undergraduate level and at postgraduate level, our students are going to do a substantial project. Doing this project is going to add to their employability. And within these projects, particularly at MSc level, at postgraduate level, there are opportunities to complete live projects. A live project is a project where the question that you're looking to answer or the problem that you're looking to solve is a problem posed by the needs of industry. And we have national and international industry links with partners that can help make these projects an opportunity for our students. Finally, we offer full employability support for all of our students here. We have caring staff offering support at all levels for students arriving with us. There's central academic support at the university level, and there's bespoke support from a team of departmental administrative staff. They support students fully, and they provide a first point of call to solve all kinds of problems. At an academic level, you receive bespoke academic support from the college through your tutors and your mentors. You have a personal tutor, you have academic mentors. The tutorial and academic mentoring system will make sure that even late arrivals are not negatively affected. The tutors and academic mentors have an open door policy. Office hours are publicly available and students can contact tutors and academic mentors for either online or in-person support. If you're on campus and you want to meet up face-to-face, provided it's socially distanced in our current times, that is also an option as well. Although online support can be delivered through Zoom or other online platforms. You can have a web meeting with a tutor very easily. At Swansea, we have expertise in key areas. If you look at this photograph, of course, this is an airplane cockpit. We're not thinking about how to use this. We're thinking about how to build this. We're not training the pilot. We're thinking about how to build the system. And there are a number of questions that we might ask looking at this airplane cockpit. How should we lay out the screen and the buttons on the computer? How can we avoid or minimize the potential for human error? How should we make the autopilot? How can we represent the data that's coming in through the systems intuitively so that the pilot, co-pilot can understand it? Is the system safe to use? Is the system secure from hacking? How do the components communicate with each other? How is the entire system programmed? How can we build such a system? And can we build it with a team? Can we build it on time to a schedule? Is the system even feasible to build? All of these are key questions that we might ask. And these kinds of questions relate back to Swansea's different areas of expertise. If I color code some of these questions, you can see laying out of the screen and the buttons, minimizing human error, questions of human-computer interaction, an area in which Swansea is very strong, an area in which we have a research group. How to represent the data intuitively, for example, is a question of visual computing. Another area where Swansea is very strong, another area where we have a dedicated research group. Questions on safety and security are questions of theory and security. And we have a cybersecurity research group. We have a theory research group. We also have a great deal of expertise in general computer science and general software engineering. The questions in blue around the bottom are more general questions. All of these areas of expertise allow us to teach our students key skills in specialist areas that improve their overall employability. We've made some courses available for a January start. January start is available for our 3-year BSc courses in computer science and in software engineering, as well as our 4-year integrated master's courses, the MEng in computing or the MSci in computer science. All of these courses, the integrated masters and the BSc courses, are available with a year in industry option. For our 1-year postgraduate taught master's courses, MSc Advanced Computer Science, MSc Data Science, MSc Cybersecurity, and MSc Computer Science are all available also with a January start. Of course, it's more than just a degree. We're very proud that we have a diverse, welcoming community here at Swansea, and you'll be joining this community when you join us as part of the department. There are a number of clubs and extracurricular activities that you can get involved in. We offer specific employability seminars. There's the Green Book Club, looking at cracking the coding interview. And this came about through an initiative with Google. If you want to work for Google or another large tech firm on graduation, you're going to be looking at doing 4 or 5 big coding interviews, and you need to prepare quite carefully to get through those. This Green Book Club is looking at how to prepare for such an interview process. We have the Google Hashcode competition that we compete in every year and do well in. The Maker competition, robotics challenge. There's a variety of hackathons, the NHS hackathon, Game Jam, Fujitsu, and so on. Greg and Org and industrial talks that the students go out to, and a project fair for our final year undergraduate students, where you'll get the opportunity to show off what you have done to visitors, including visitors representing industry bodies. And we've had students hired straight out of university on the strength of projects that they have done. We're very strong on employability here at Swansea, and we give our students a lot of employability support, as well as obviously supporting our year in industry students as well. We have a dedicated employability and year in industry officer called Amy Pritchard, and Amy offers support the whole way through your time here. Help is available both online and in person for any questions about part-time work, internships, or placements. And this help can be, for all levels of your employability needs, whether you're looking for a graduate position as you're leaving the university, or just looking for a weekend job, a part-time position. We can help you with all of these. And this is backed up by Swansea's Employability Academy, the SEA, which offers centralized support through the university. And they have a part-time jobs fair and a variety of opportunities for students in terms of boosting their employability, including the opportunity to work as a student ambassador. If you work as an ambassador as a student, you might be giving tours of the campus or demonstrating things, talking about your experience as a student here. It's paid work, and you'd effectively be working for the university. Of course, that looks fantastic on your CV, on your resume when you graduate. The support that's available includes Swansea Connect, which is our alumni network. You can stay in contact with us or with fellow alumni even after you graduate. You can get involved with that while you're here to start building your network. We have weekly drop-in sessions with Amy where you can talk about your employability needs and get useful advice. You have access to careers consultants. You have one-to-one support from employability staff. We have workshops on CV writing. If you're an undergraduate student, you have a year 2 module in professional skills and career development. This is optional for the majority of our students, but if you're on a year in industry course, this is a compulsory module. It gets you ready to go out for that placement year. We have invited employer talks. We have careers events and networking opportunities. We have LinkedIn groups. We have closed LinkedIn groups, which are exclusively for students and alumni of the different departments within Swansea. And we have the Employability Academy that I already mentioned. The Careers Fair, we weren't able to do this in 2020. We did it the year before, and we're looking forward to getting back to doing this as soon as possible when we're able to have a more normal state of affairs post-COVID. We have had this as an online option, but for the live version, we had 250 plus students, 20 plus companies, including local companies and large international and national companies. Admiral is a large insurance company. Welsh Water came along, and parts of the British government. The Driver and Vehicle Licensing Agency and the Intellectual Property are parts of the government. And here, students were looking for graduate opportunities, for summer placements, and for year in industry placements. And of course, our valued partners, industrial partners, were very happy to be meeting our students and have a lot of meaningful conversations with them, and a very valuable experience for all parties, both undergraduate and postgraduate. Some of our graduates have gone on to great careers at famous locations, places such as Google, IBM, Apple, Sony, technical companies, banks such as HSBC and Barclays, Lloyds Bank, PwC, LinkedIn, Tata Steel, even Disney. One of our students did a project on rendering. You can see the image here. It might be partly obscured by my video screen, but this is a rendered image. And Disney, we're interested in the intellectual property ramifications of a project such as this student had done, and hired them straight out of their time with us. And we've had students go on from Swansea to PhD with a full scholarship, even at places like Edinburgh or Bristol. We're very proud of their achievements. Thank you very much. Please stay in touch. If you have any questions, we're available. study@swansea.ac.uk, and we're @SwanScience on both Twitter and Instagram.